How many are the soil? I am asking everyone, I am giving options also, but nobody is raising hands. Again we'll do it. Water. How many are agree with water? Please raise fast, we have to go on next. And I'll ask why. See, what is water? It is correct that water was found on Mars. Okay. What is found on Mars?
Water.
Recently scientists discovered, and there one more thing happened on Mars. They sent their own space shuttle there, and it landed very safely like a parachute. Are you clear? So these are many things. Go on to websites, read newspapers, you will get news on this is happening in this planet, this is happening in that planet. Okay. Now next after Mars is Jupiter. Jupiter is the gas planet. It is the